Hello everyone. Today I received a comment, okay, from one of our viewers. They are referring to the downloading and installing BI Publisher, okay, and they are saying that, "Hi sir, I have downloaded the same way as you guided in video, and I have MS Office 2024. I see Publisher in Excel, but why in Word it's not showing?" Okay, I think the viewer is referring to the downloader and installing BI Publisher video, and they are facing issue in the Word MS of they are having MS Office 2024. They are able to see the Publisher tab in the Excel, but they are not able to see it in the Word. Okay, let me show you few options where they can enable this BI Publisher of Publisher tab after installing the BI Publisher. Okay. Okay, now I'm opening one Excel file. If I open a blank Excel file, I'm able to see the publisher tab here. Okay, this publisher tab is showing up because we have installed the BI publisher in the laptop. Okay, in the same way, it has to show in the Word document also. If you see here in the Word document, we are not able to see the publisher tab. Actually, I'm able to see previously, but I have removed it. This is not the Office 2024. I have the latest version of Office with me, uh, but the same solution for all the versions. If I click on this file option in the Office Word, we are able to see few options here like new, open, like that. Just select the options here. Once you select the options, you are able to see what options pop up. Inside this pop-up, you are able to see so many options like display, proofing, customize ribbon, add-ins, trust center, like this. Just select the add-ins. Once you click on add-ins, you are able to see active application add-ins and inactive application add-ins. These two sections you are having, and below you are having document related add-ins, disabled application add-ins, like this. Like you are having four sections. If you see here in the inactive application add-ins, you are able to see Oracle Analytics Publisher Template Builder for what 64-bit. Okay, so the add-in which you like once you install BI Publisher, Analytics Publisher, it is in the inactive state. Okay, you have to make it active. How we can do that? Just if you see here under manage, you have to select com add-ins. There are so many options available. You have to select com add-ins and just click on go. Once you click on go, you are able to see com add-ins which are available. Here you are able to see Oracle Analytics Publisher Builder for what 64-bit. Check this checkbox and click on OK. Once you click on OK, you have to restart your Word. I'm closing this and I will restart. I restarted the Word application and I'm able to see the Publisher tab here. Okay. So this is how we are going to enable the Publisher tab in the Word document. Restarting Word document means after enabling that com, just close it and open the blank document again. Then you are able to see the Publisher. If you want to remove this Publisher, just go to the same file, options, and go to add-ins. See, now you are able to see the Oracle Analytics Publisher template in the active application add-ins. Okay, now I want to inactivate it. Just select the com add-ins in the manage box, click on go, uncheck it, and click on OK. Don't click on remove or add. At any point of time, don't click on remove. Okay, just unselect it, unselect this checkbox and click on OK. Once I click on OK, see the publisher is got vanished. In order to enable, just click on file, click on options, go to add-ins. Now it is in inactive state, Oracle Analytics Publisher. See, it is in inactive state. In the manage, select com add-ins and click on go. Check this checkbox and click on OK. Once you click on OK, see you are able to see the publisher. After selecting the checkbox, if you click on OK, at the time also if it is not showing up, then close it and restart the Word. Then it will show up here. Okay. So this is how we can enable this. This is all for the video, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much.